आमी थर्ड पार्टी रिपोर्टिंग करपाक शकनात. आवर कंटेंट हॅज टू बी ओरिजिनल. सो फाटले म्हयने सावन आमी प्रयत्न चलयला की द कंटेंट हॅज टू बी फ्रॉम द हॉर्सस माउथ. सो हीच टॅगलायन घेवन आमी फुडें वतले. सो प्रत्येक मनशाचेर जी नवी जबाबदारी आयल्या स्टाफाचेर, ताका आपले स्किलिंगाचें आपले जबाबदारेचें कन्सॉलिडेशन करपाक परत टायम जाय. सो कन्सॉलिडेशनाक टायम जाय, तो टायम आमी घेतात, पुणून तें कन्सॉलिडेशन जात तितले बेगीन जावचें पडटलें जाल्यार तो इम्पॅक्ट जात तितले बेगीन येतलो.
की 17व्या एनिवर्सरीक मंदार आसा आनी आज सकाळीं आमकां एक इंट्रस्टींग गजाल कळ्ळी. जेन्ना प्रुडंट स्टार्ट जालें तेन्ना सुरवातेक खूब ड्राय रन्स बी चलताले आनी ते ड्राय रन्स जावन सुद्दां तुगेलो बुलेटीन भायर सरनाशिल्लो. आनी वी न्यू मंदार दॅट टायम. वन ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो न्यू मंदार दॅट टायम, वॉज हेल्पिंग प्रुडंट आउट. सो त्या मनशान फायनली मंदाराक फोन केलो आनी सांगलें की आमकां बुलेटीन कसो काडप, कारण त्या टायमार गोंया भितर एक्सपर्टिजूय नाशिल्ली, ती आमकां खबर ना. मंदारान एका क्षणाचो पसून विचार करनासतना एंटायर बुलेटीन कसो आसता हाजी फूल रनडावन जो आसा तो काडून धाडलो. तो रनडावन यूज करून आमची स्टोरीज घालून आनी तातूंतल्यान प्रुडंटाचो पयलो बुलेटीन आयलो.
We have to change with time. But what is important is we change smartly. We cannot change our ethos. We cannot change what we are committed to do. And we cannot change what we are. These are things that cannot be compromised. But we have to move on. And I'm seeing that normally in an organization, when you attempt a change like what we did, my God, heavens will break down. But I think each of you are so cooperative. I really appreciate each of the journalists who understood reason behind the changes. And today, we are seeing the advantages of it.
And that AI environment will really pose a great deal of challenge and threat to us. So we need to be really very, very aware about the AI thing. I am not being very protectionist about the technology. Technology is going to happen and it is going to change the whole scenario. But at the same time, it will also help somewhere or the other way. So we need to find out those, better opportunities with the AI. As media people, we need to be really having that foresight to understand how the AI will really affect us, or for that matter, how we will better use the AI facilities and the AI tools. So that is the second most important change which is going to happen in another 10 years' time ahead of us.